Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are doing well. Honestly, I can't believe that we are already in April. Where has the time gone? And I know we all say this every single year. Time surely flies. But anyways, in today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about these sunglasses right here. These are by Kraywoods, a Canadian owned brand. So I really want to talk to you guys about this brand today. But before we get started with the video, of course, be sure you are subscribed to my channel, ring that bell so you know if I want to upload a new video. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up for trying to upload these videos for you guys. And let's get started with the video. So diving right on in, this was sent to me by the brand themselves. Although the video is sponsored, I will still give you guys my thoughts and opinions about the brand and the sunglasses. It's a Canadian owned brand. We love that. So this was founded in 2016 and their goal was to make sustainable sunglasses. So they do offer sunglasses and prescription glasses, but your sunglasses can also be prescription. But for this set, I didn't go for the prescription route. So let's unbox this together. So unboxing it, this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, these sunglasses look so good. Also, side note, I am not much of a aviator looking style like sunglasses like Ray-Bans. I always felt like they made my face look so droopy because you know typical aviators kind of has like that droop there. I can never wear these type of styles, and then Ray-Bans, I feel like some of them do that same thing. But I do love the style of these types of sunglasses, but I can never pull them off. So fingers crossed that they actually look good on me. So of course when you unbox it, you do get the sunglasses or prescription glasses, whichever one that you choose. And the carrying case. Now, initial thoughts already, this is very flat. I don't know how I feel about that, but now actually opening this up, okay, that's actually kind of cool. That's actually really kind of cool. I did not know what to expect of this because I'm just like, why is it still flat? Now that I see it, this is actually really cool and quite convenient. I'm really impressed by this simple design right here. I don't know why. The material feels like it is out of cardboard, but the inside is definitely lined. It feels quite soft in there. So all their eyeglasses are handcrafted by sustainably sourced wood. And just initially feeling like the sides right here, it feels really, really nice. The glasses themselves, they don't feel heavy, but they don't feel light. There's a good amount of weight to them. And we can see with these specific pair that, of course, we have the ebony wood, the gold framing, and a brow-like frame. Like I said, with these type of glasses, I always lean towards them, but they never look good on me for some reason. Also, what's great about their sunglasses is that not only can you choose a prescription option as well, the lenses come polarized, also with UV protection and anti-scratch. So I would definitely trust that these sunglasses would protect my eyes. So let's try these on. So the funny thing with these sunglasses right now is that I want to look at myself at the viewfinder at my monitor right here, but I can't see a darn thing. Like, it is completely black right now because the lenses are polarized. So let me just grab my mirror to see what I'm looking at because I honestly cannot tell. Ooh, you know what? I do like these sunglasses. I feel like this style and the size, like the width, the height, it suits my face shape very, very well. Because like I said, typical like aviators or these type of sunglasses, they kind of have like this design where it kind of droops down. So it makes my face look longer and a lot more droopy than it should be. But with this, I can see it suits my face a lot better. It's shorter. It doesn't drag down my face. And I'm surprised with the polarized lens that I cannot see my monitor at all. Like, it is completely black to me. So I can just imagine how it is out in the sun. And also, can we appreciate the framework on here, the glasses, the wood? Now having this on my face for like a few minutes now, I just noticed that these don't slide down my face really. Because typical sunglasses or even prescription glasses, most of the time, even with the nose pads, they kind of slide down my face because I don't have much of a nose bridge and most Asian noses do not. So typically glasses, they could kind of like eventually start to fall down. But having these on for quite some time right now, they haven't fallen at all. So let me just wear my regular glasses so you guys can see what I mean. Now, even though these are glasses, they still have the nose pads like the sunglasses do. But like typical glasses, at some point, this eventually starts to fall. And then, you know, eventually talking, moving my head and so forth, and then like even doing this, like it eventually fell. But with these sunglasses, nothing moved. So let me try this again. So I'll do this, I'll move my eyebrows, I'll do that, move my head. Yeah, no, nothing moved. It has remained the same. I'm assuming so because I'm trying to look at myself at the monitor and I can't see anything. Yeah, nothing has moved. So as an Asian with a short nose bridge, I can definitely say that these fit my face very, very well, not only looks wise, but it's very secure on my nose. So for me, for that feature alone, I definitely approve of these glasses. And you guys just saw I was whipping my hair back and forth like Willow Smith right there. Like if I try to do it with this, yep, see, it like fell right there already. So if you are Asian or if you have a lower bridge like myself, I would definitely look into this brand for sure. I did not expect them to stay on my face so well like the way that it did, but it really did surprise me. So if you guys are interested in Kraywoods or want to like look into it further, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. And if you guys want to buy a pair, I do have a discount code as well that will also be down in the description box below. So again, although these were sent to me by the brand, I can confidently say that I really do like these sunglasses. I wish I picked the prescription option, but the fact that these stayed on my face so well, they have UV protection, anti-scratch, and they are polarized as well. I really like these sunglasses. So again, thank you to Kraywoods for sending these sunglasses. And again, if you guys are interested in checking them out, the link and the discount code are down in the description box below. So anyways, you guys, thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!